Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this session we are going to discuss different techniques of natural language processing that are very important for your examination. We will discuss each and every technique with the help of some real life example. So now let's just start the session. So students, NLP is nothing but it is basically a system under your AI that enable computers to process, to understand and to generate human languages. Right? Its basic working we have already discussed in previous session. These techniques are organized into different categories based on their purpose and functions. So we have so many techniques under NLP, and all the techniques are basically categorized as per their functionalities. For example, if you want NLP for text processing and pre-processing, you have to create a different NLP. We have a different NLP, right? If you want to analyze the semantic or syntax, then you have a different NLP. So this is what I have told you. These techniques are organized into different categories based on their purposes and functions. As you can see here, NLP techniques are like skills a computer needs to read the text, understand what it means, and respond in a meaningful way. Now we have different techniques. Like the first technique is tokenization. As you can see, tokenization means breaking the text into smaller words or sentences. Like I love AI. If I break these in if I break this sentence, then these are called different tokens. So I have 3 tokens right now. Next we have a stemming. It cuts words to roots from playing to play. Clear? We will discuss everything in detail. So here we have the first technique, that is the most important technique. It is your text processing and pre-processing. Tokenization that we have discussed earlier is taken under your text processing and pre-processing algorithm. So it helps to split the text into smaller units such as words and sentences. Another type that we have discussed is stemming and lemmatization. It means reducing the words to their root or base form. That means, like I have told you, from playing to play. Here we are reducing the word to their root or base form. Clear? That is called stemming. Another technique under your text processing and pre-processing includes stop word removal. It eliminates commonly used words like is and the. Okay? It eliminates commonly used words that carry little semantic values. Next we have is text normalization. Sorry, this is not next. This is text normalization. So it helps in standardizing the text by converting to lowercase, removing punctuation, and correcting spelling errors. All these are taken under your text processing and pre-processing techniques. Next we have is syntax and parsing. So these techniques basically focus on understanding the grammatical structure of the sentence. So under this we have the first technique, that is part of speech. Part of speech is simply known as POS tagging. It is part of speech tagging, right? Assigning grammatical levels like noun, pronoun, verb, adjective to a word in a sentence is called part of speech, right? Next we have is dependency parsing. Under your dependency parsing, it analyzing the grammatical dependencies and relationship between different words. The third technique under syntax and parsing includes constituency parsing. Constituency parsing, that means breaking down a sentence into hierarchical subphases like noun or verb phases. So these 3 are under your syntax and parsing. I hope students everything is clear till now. If you have any doubt, you can surely share in the comment section. Next technique we have is semantic analysis. So basically students, this involves understanding the meaning and context of words and sentences. Under this, we have the first technique, that is NER. NER stands for Named Entity Recognition. So it helps identifying proper nouns such as names of people, organizations, places and dates. Okay, so this is basically named entity recognition. Another technique under this is WSD. WSD stands for Word Sense Deambiguation. I am writing it here. So it helps in determining the correct meaning of a word based on context. Clear? Third point under your semantic analysis is coreference resolution. Detecting when different words or phrases refer to the entity, that is, she is a girl, she is Ankita, she is Himani, right? So these helps us detecting the different words or phrases refer to the same entity. This is called coreference resolution. Next technique we have is information extraction. So basically these techniques under information extractions are used to identify and extract the meaningful information from a given text. Like in any AI platform like ChatGPT or anything, if you copy paste any kind of text there, you can easily extract meaningful information out there with the help of information extraction NLP tool. So under information extraction, we have the first technique, that is its entity extraction. So detecting specific entities like people, location, companies, if you want to extract such location, then entity extraction will help you. Another point we have is relation extraction. So identifying and categorizing the relationships between entities in a sentence or document, then relation extraction technique will surely help you. Next point we have is text classification. So it is basically used to categorize text from predefined groups. Not text from. Text classification helps to categorize text into predefined groups. All clear? So under this we have basically three techniques. The first technique is sentiment analysis. So identifying the emotional tone behind a piece of text, that is positive, negative, neutral, whatever sentiment is included in that particular given text. If you want to analyze that, then definitely semantic analysis technique will help you. Next we have is topic modeling. Discovering abstract topics within a collection of documents. Another we have is spam detection. It helps in classifying messages or emails as spam or non-spam. Right? So all these are done just with the help of text classification. So students, in this session we have discussed 5 different techniques. Remaining 5 will be discussed in the next lecture. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.